Hi, I'm Chuck, amateur call sign KK6USY. Welcome to my channel. I'm a retired firefighter of 35 years that loves amateur radio.
What you're going to find on my channel is how to make antennas, some easy, some more difficult, but I'll walk you through how to make them. If you want to do a Parks on the Air or a Summits on the Air, but are not able to or don't know what to do, join me as I explore some really cool places on mine. If you're going to do a Parks on the Air, Summits on the Air, or maybe an Islands on the Air, I have some awesome videos on how to make battery boxes, a 12-volt rotor, how to support your antenna mast, and even a video on different types of power I use for portable use. I also do reviews on ham radio equipment, new and old. So hit that subscribe button if you're looking to take your ham radio skills to the next level and want to join me as I explore some really cool places.
Super excited you're here, and I can't wait for you to check out some of my builds and join me on some of my journeys.